Polaris began in 1954, 65 years ago. This year we were celebrating the 65th anniversary. They started out as a agribusiness equipment manufacturer. From there, it eventually moved into snowmobiles and then moved into what it is today. A lot of off-road products with ATVs, side-by-sides, motorcycles, a slingshot, timber sled, and now boat holdings.
The typical Polaris customer, I feel, is definitely an outdoorsman. They like to go four-wheeling, hunting, snowmobiling, and a lot of the times, the workers here at Polaris are our own customers as well.
Bottom line is we want to build the best quality product that we can for our consumers. We take a lot of pride in what we do here, and we want to make sure that our customers are satisfied with their product and get the best they can.
Probably my favorite part about working at Polaris is working with the team. We have a real strong team, good team. We're all there for each other, helping each other out. We have that common goal. We're building the best product in power sports, and we're putting fun in the customer's hand.
Technology, I think, has changed here at Polaris in many ways. I know on the manufacturing floor, we've turned to some robotics. For graphics, we get to use more computer-generated images. In the past, we have taken photos for all of our marketing brochures and such, and now we still take photos, but we also use computer-generated images and different programs to help with marketing material and other things.
So with the technology that we have nowadays, especially back in welding, we were able to take robots that can weld faster and more accurately than a welder in general. So we have multiple robots here at Polaris that we use back in welding. It really helped us make sure that we can produce solid welds consistently and accurately.
Technology updates within the manufacturing world has been a large part in everyone taking that competitiveness to the next level. Everyone is competing to be the best, and the way to get them efficiencies and so forth is taking on new ways in technology.
The potential that you have at Polaris in manufacturing is limitless. If you want a career, all you need to do is work hard to get there. And internally, they will provide the training and anything else you might need to make that happen.
When I entered into the manufacturing field, it was not a natural fit for me. I struggled mightily, and I had to earn my credibility with my coworkers where I started in North Dakota at an agricultural company. Because it wasn't such a natural fit at first, I had to learn. I had to get comfortable. I had to gain traction. I had to gain my ground. And once I did that, then I started to earn the respect. I started to earn the credibility. There is a place for everyone in manufacturing. It may not be a natural fit at first, but give it your best, and you'll find that manufacturing is a rewarding and engaging experience for you.
I think it's really neat that the technology and the education doesn't have to be already done. Polaris can train you in-house for everything that you want to learn, and you can work as hard and as fast as you want to grow to whatever position you want. It's available if you can dream it.
When I came to Polaris, I did have a degree in criminal justice, and when I started, I needed a job. Polaris was a good fit. And when I continued working here at Polaris, they gave me the opportunity to go back to school and get a supervisory leadership certificate. They pay for your classes, they provide us books and all the items that we need to successfully complete the degrees here at Polaris.
In manufacturing technology and my liberal arts degree through Polaris tuition reimbursement program, I did everything completely online, and I'm continuing my education right now to a bachelor's degree.
The favorite part of my job at Polaris is getting to be a part of a team that launches new vehicles, getting to see customers' reaction, and also be able to provide feedback to the team. So I get to ride and test these vehicles as well.
My favorite part of working at Polaris is that I get to understand the riding experience and also get to live it. So I get to see firsthand the enjoyment that our customers are going to see with riding our product.
Polaris offers us so many different things here as an employee to them. Not only is it the education, but they give you the options to move up in your career and to provide for your family. And one of my favorite things is that Polaris allows me to work here and have a job that I can provide so my daughter can go to dance competitions and we can make memories out in Beltrami Forest on the four-wheeler and go ice fishing if we so choose. They bring so much more to the table than just an everyday job. They help you provide for your family and you're a part of their family.
Polaris is very active in giving back to their community, and it's encouraged myself and others within the company to be able to give back. They do support with 8 hours of volunteer time to go out and do whatever you want. Everybody has their passion. They want to contribute to society, and Polaris allows that opportunity.
When I started at Polaris, I didn't expect to be here for very long. I was an entry-level employee and didn't have any training, didn't have any schooling, and was able to gain invaluable lessons and experience while I worked. And Polaris also helped provide my education through their tuition reimbursement program. So I worked my way up and have used all of their benefits to get there to do that.
So I started at Polaris as an assembly operator in 2015, and from there I had the opportunity to become a team lead on Snowline. And I was in that position for about a year when another supervisor saw the potential and asked me to come back to welding as a group lead on second shift. And I have been a group lead in welding for second shift for about 6 months when the supervisor role came about. And now I have been the second shift welding supervisor for about 2 months, and it has been awesome.
In my position, part of what we do is so team involved. We help grow other people. As far as leaders are concerned, one of my favorite things to do is bring new people on and help them become part of the Polaris family and grow as a team, grow stronger. And watching other people grow has been probably one of my favorite things to do as a supervisor.
My personal experience at Polaris, and I'm grateful that I've gotten to work with so many great leaders in the company that you can learn something from everybody you work with, and I think that's something pretty cool we got. My future's been made in manufacturing.
My future is made in manufacturing.
My future is made in manufacturing.